Okay, today, guys, we will be going to Haunted Mansion. Okay, guys, come on, everybody. Watch out for that guy. If you get hit, don't worry. If you want to go haunted house, you might need a flashlight, but I'm not getting one. You need to go over here. You need to go over here and get and go to Haunted Mansion. It might come a little bit dark, and if you want to know which, you put one hand in and the other hand in and push your body through. Okay, guys? See? People say this is hard, but I think they're lying. Okay, we're at Haunted House, guys. Those are the ones you might want to go for. Only thing you need is a backpack. Guys. Okay. Remember those other guys at the start of the video? I think they left. Guys, I don't know what just happened. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. We're gonna get some money. Okay, guys. We got some whistles. We got some whistles, guys. Those, I'm minding you guys, we need to go for those. We just couldn't find some. Couldn't reach some. Guys, you don't need a shotgun. I just have one. I bought this one, I think. I don't remember because I got this like 1 year ago. I missed. Guys, we almost did it, guys. I guess we have to leave that one for a different YouTube video. I'm probably gonna make a part 2. I don't know if I will. Sometimes I don't. I might not make a part 2 on some of my videos, guys. Sorry, guys. If you want one of my backpacks, the code I'm gonna be in every day is probably 777. That is the code I'm in. The code I'm in right now is M7. Okay, guys. Let go. And if you have this backpack, you get way more money, guys. You don't have to have this one. You only needed at least one backpack. Okay, guys? We almost filled up all my backpacks. I mean, one backpack. This is probably going to be the best money I ever spent. Probably gonna give me like $40 billion. If you want some money, join the code 777, guys. That is the code I might be in. That is the code I be in every day. I probably go in that code at lunchtime, guys. 1 second, guys. Hello? I'm making a YouTube video right now. But yeah, I am making a YouTube video right now and I'm getting money. I'm gonna sell all my loot right now. I'm almost done with my video though. Guys, I'm sorry about that. Somebody just joined my code. Mushrooms. Jingle bell. Okay, guys. But yeah, if you never gotten here for, it's just some benches, and if you touch the lava, you take damage. I mean, don't touch the lava. And one of my friends are right here. Wait. And then all you need to do is little parkour, guys. Now for that, we are here in the area. If you don't know how to get up here, just jump, and it might take you. I don't remember. Second, guys. Okay, if you guys want to sell some, do you remember that other video where I taught you how to sell things? You go back to the selling machine before you dump everything you got in it. And it might sell for 4,000 or 3,000. It's not about. Oh wow! It never be 10K. I told you guys. Guys, I'm sorry about that. He killed me. Don't you flippin' dare take my shotgun! Don't you flippin' dare take my shotgun! Don't you flippin' dare take my shotgun! Boy. The fuck, man? I'm sorry, guys. He took my shotgun. I might not have a shotgun for a long time, guys. But luckily, they don't know I own them. Hey, let me show you what I own, guys. I own revolver ammo, shotgun ammo. I own the thing that guy just killed me with, and this and this. And I already showed you this kind of one a minute ago, and I just need one more. Then got all the backpacks in the game, and I might just give this to you. And if you join my code, guys, I will give you a revolver, guys. If you join the code 777, I will give you revolvers, okay? And please subscribe. I'm a brand new YouTuber. Please, if you join my code, I will give you a revolver, I promise. Just please join my code and subscribe to me. Please, guys. Bye, guys. See you in a different YouTube. Bye.